What's good, people? It's your boy Trill out here. You know I got this on. I did another recording. What's good, people? It's your boy Trill. Hyyer Code Living. We out here and finna do some morning flows. Sun's literally about to pass these buildings like 6:36 in the morning. Just did some meditation. We finna get it popping. We're gonna do some sun salutations. Come to the top of your mat or to your grass or to the floor, wherever you're at. Make sure the feet are aligned, everything's stacked. Everything tall, arms to the side, fingers wide. Deep breaths. Slowly drop the right ear to the right shoulder. Keep everything relaxed, drop the head back. Being gentle with the neck and head. Rotate the head around, drop the chin to the chest. Bring the right ear back to the shoulder and pause, everything relaxed. Inhale. Exhale, bring the head up. Everything relaxed and tall, big. Inhale. Exhale to the left. Gently drop the head back. Rotate the head around, drop the chin to the chest. Left ear back to the left shoulder, everything relaxed. Inhale. Exhale, bring the head up. Again, everything stacked and relaxed. Inhale, lift the arms up with the gaze. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, swan dive, forward fold, pull the body in. Inhale, lift up halfway to Ardha. Exhale, down, bend the knees, hands to the mat, step back right, step back left. Spine flat, chaturanga down. Inhale, swim up to upward dog, raise the gaze. Exhale, tuck the toes, roll into downward. Make sure the feet are flat as possible. Push the ears away from the shoulders. Pull through the middle. Make sure the feet are aligned with the hands. Wide, hands are aligned. Right hand reach for the left ankle or leg. Right hand to the left ankle or leg. Turn the torso to the left. Deep breaths, getting a good stretch in the lower and upper part of the torso. Right hand back. Left hand to the right ankle or leg. Turn the torso to the left. Deep breaths. Exhale, left hand back to downward. Raise the gaze, step up right. Step up left. Come to a stand. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, forward fold, pull the body in. Legs straight, inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, down. Bend the knees, hands to the mat. Step back left. Step back right. Make sure the legs are straight. Chaturanga down. Inhale, swim up to upward dog. Exhale, tuck the toes, roll into downward. Remember all your cues. Pedal the feet to help stretch the calves. Or make the body still and station. And sway the body side to side and stretch the hips. You don't have to be as dramatic as I am or animated, but however you feel and however comfortable you are in doing so. Raise the gaze, step up left, step up right. Come to a stand, inhale, lift up. Exhale, forward fold, pull the body in. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, down. Bend the knees, hands to the mat. We're gonna hop back into a plank, chaturanga down. Inhale, swim up. Exhale, push into downward. Get on the feet alignment. Good, stretching the hamstrings. Raise the shoulders. Tuck the stomach in, bend the knees, raise the gaze, bend the knees, and hop back to the front. Boom. Stay in the squat, shoulders back and down. Hands to heart center. Inhale. Exhale, left elbow outside of the right knee. Right elbow up, gazing at the elbow for a modified chair.
Right hand to the ceiling, left hand to the outside of the right leg. And bring that right arm behind the back to relax the shoulder. Right hand back to the ceiling. Bring the hands back together, elbow up, inhale. Exhale, hands to the mat, hop back right, hop back left. Chaturanga down, inhale, swim up. Exhale, push into downward. Inhale, lift the right, exhale, step through. Align the heels, push to warrior one. Exhale, down, step back right. Chaturanga, inhale, lift to open dog. Push into downward. Raise the left, inhale, exhale, step through. Align the heels, push to warrior one. The form is dope. Exhale, down. Step back left, chaturanga down. Inhale, swim to upper dog, push to downward. Always working on the feet alignment. Going back to the sun salutation beat. Well, stepping up, shoulders back and down, hands to heart center. Twist the torso to the left. Right elbow outside the left knee, gazing at the left elbow. Drop the left hand outside of the leg. Right hand outside of the leg, left hand to the ceiling. Fold the left arm behind the back. Relax the shoulder. Left hand back to the ceiling. Bring the hands together, elbow up. Inhale. Exhale, hands to the mat. Step back left. Step back right. Chaturanga down. Inhale, swim up to upward. Exhale, roll into downward. Inhale, lift the left. Exhale, step through. Back foot align the heels. Push to warrior one. Exhale, down. Step back left. Chaturanga down. Inhale, swim up. Exhale, push into downward. Raise the right. Step through. Align the heels. Push to warrior one. Exhale, down. Step back with the right. Chaturanga down. Inhale, swim up to upward. Exhale, push to downward. Step up left, step up right. Come to a stand. Inhale, lift. Exhale to the right, drop the right arm to the side for a bending tree, hips stacked. Inhale, lift up. Exhale to the left, keeping everything stacked, arm to the side. Inhale, up. Exhale, hands to heart center, giving a back bend to open the chest. Come back to a stand, spine tall. Exhale, swan dive, forward fold, pull in. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, down. Bend the knees, hands to the mat. Step back right. Step back left. Chaturanga down. Inhale, swim up. Exhale into downward. Inhale, right knee into chest. Exhale, bend the right leg. Step through with the right. Align the heels. Push to warrior one. Spine tall. Now exhale into warrior two. Feet are in the L shape, coming into a ninja. Open the right foot, left foot and hip. Bring that. Push back into warrior two. Heels align. Left arm behind the back, right arm over for reverse warrior. Right forearm behind the back, left arm over the head for extended side angle. Right hand outside of the left right leg, left hand to the ceiling for a triangle. Fold the left arm behind the back, bring the right arm in front, interlace the fingers around the groin, chest out, drop the head to the right, relax the neck. Unlace the fingers, left hand to the floor, right hand to the ceiling, stacking the shoulders, right hand to the mat, raise the gaze, push into warrior three. Hands to the floor. Right hand to step up and to the right, keeping the left leg up for a half moon. Now pull the heel into the glute, keeping the gaze upward, just curving the spine. Align the knees, finding the balance underneath the foot, coming into a pelican posture. Left elbow outside the right knee, right elbow up, flex the toe for balance. Hands to the mat, step back with the right. Chaturanga down, inhale, swim up to upward. Exhale, push into downward. Left knee into chest, kick out, open the left hip on top of the right. Bend the left knee, inhale. Exhale, step through with the left, line the heels on the left. Everything just on the left side. Inhale, exhale into warrior two. Come on to the left heel, open the right foot and hip to ninja. Hands to heart center, spine tall, push back into warrior two. Gazing down the left middle finger, left arm behind the back, right arm. Left forearm behind the back, right arm over for extended side angle. Right hand to the ceiling, left hand to the outside, stack the shoulders. Left arm in front, right arm behind her, lace the fingers around the groin, chest to out. Drop the head to the left, unlace. Hands to the mat, right hand down. Left hand to the ceiling, gazing at the thumb. Right, left hand down, raise the gaze, push into warrior three. Find your balance, player. There we go. Hands to the mat. Left hand to step up into the left, open the left hip on top of the right. Now pull the heel in, giving the curve of spine. Slight bend in the left knee. Align the knees, right elbow outside the left knee for your pelican. Gaze either at the big toe or at the elbow. Hands to the mat, step back. Knees to the mat, feet long. Knees to the ends, big toes together. Walk the hands into the body, rest the hips on the heels. Sitting up tall, rotate the head around.
To the middle, come back.
Gently.
To the middle, slowly raise the head.
Bring the hands to the mat, slide the hands forward for child's pose.
Underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Cross the ankles in the back, walk the hands in. Sit into Sukhasana. I'm going to sit up. Scoot up. Next cross, always do a twist. Shoulders back and down, hands to the knees. Right hand behind the back, fingers wide, lock the elbow. Posture's tall. Left hand to the right knee. Twist to the right, gazing over the right shoulder. Deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale slowly back forward. Always working on the posture. Left hand behind the back, fingers wide, lock the elbow. Right hand to the left knee, twist to the left. Spine tall, deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale slowly back forward, hands out into receptive. Spine tall, chin down the horizon. Inhale, lift the arms up with the gaze. Exhale, hands to heart center, shoulders back and down. Got some decent flows in, about 3 sun salutation A's. Sun salutation B. You know, I had to do the trill flows. I took certain things out, but you know, it is what it is. Everything feel good. Now I, personally, about to hit the gym. I hope you do something productive in your day, whatever day this is, regardless of the day, regardless of the time. Remember to stay in flow. Focus on the form, whatever it is that we're doing. Remember to breathe. And remember to have a lighthearted focus. Never force. Namaste. Good flows, like I said, it's a great morning. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Remember, it's your boy Trill. Peace. Not apart. Together. Get higher. Think, feel, be higher. Every day. Every way. Together. Trill! Yeah. Don't put my father on, man. Go.